All right, I'm coming to you, going live. We're getting ready for Black Friday, getting ready for Turkey Day. Hopefully we get some people in here. This is Big Jeff. I just want to say a couple things, show you what we got going on. We'll wait till we get some people in here. I'm going to turn this around. As you can see, we're getting ready for the local Ocala group. We're going to be doing walk-in specials. All the open box stuff throughout the year. Open box or return. Some stuff's even brand new, just a damaged box we're going to be throwing on sale. We have a ton of closeout stuff. As you can see, we're getting the front ready. You know, Thanksgiving, what's up, Douglas? Thanksgiving, we're going to be closed, guys, girls, but we will reopen Friday. And our new extended Saturday hours is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. What's up, Daniel? Waiting for everybody to get in here. So real quick, I just let me flip this back around. I want to just shout everybody out, man. Be safe. Make sure you know, we're going to see our loved ones and family members. Make sure you guys stay protected. Hopefully we're out of this stuff soon. What I want to talk about is what we're going to be doing for Black Friday. You guys all know the story. 2 years ago I was out of my house, and 2 years later we're something to reckon here. So what we're going to do for local guys that come in, I'm going to turn this back around. We have tons and tons of, I mean, even here, there's a Z15 by DS18 that literally is brand new but had a damaged box and was returned. We're going to be blowing stuff like this out 15-20% off, sometimes even more. We have alarms, head units, and guys, this stuff was all bench checked. There is some real banged up stuff, but I mean, we're going to blow that stuff away. And then the price you see here, we're actually going to give off on that. There's HID kits. There's tons of LED bars, light bars, LEDs. We have tons of cut wire from throughout the year. Times we cut wire, and we have extra. We're going to be blowing that stuff out. I got stacks of bazooka bars that might be missing just a bracket or a remote. We're going to be blowing those out. So for you guys that are local, Ocala, come on in. We're going to be open. Let me turn this back around. We're going to be open Friday. Look at all the wire. These are just extra wire cuts. Some of this stuff is 25, 35 foot, 100% copper. Man, we're going to give this stuff away. Also, guys, we're going to be giving out all weekend free PPE gear. So every order is going to get some kind of mask, either a 3-ply or a KN5. We're going to be giving away Big Jeff shirts, hats, lanyards, DS18 layers, hats, Tapano, PRV, all the stuff we got from the vendors we're giving away. Willie, we're located in Ocala. So if you're in the area, Friday or Saturday, come by. Now, if you're not in the area, you all know Big Jeff Audio is a huge website. And you can go to bigjeffaudio.com. And right, you'll get a pop-up. And right there's going to be talking about Black Friday. You can put your email. And when you put your email in there, you're going to get an email that is actually going to send you coupon codes for the deals we're running. I just want to go over some stuff. So here at the retail side of the in-house, you guys come in, man, we have the stuff marked so low. I mean, it's going to be dollars. We're going to clear out a lot of dead stock and a lot of inventory. On the website, we're going to be doing 10% off the entire store. So there's a code for that, BF2020, all caps, BF2020. And then if you do over $1,000 with free shipping, you're going to get 15% off store-wide. That's BF1000. All orders are going to get free PPE gear, mask, KN5s, or we also have our Big Jeff mask. And then, of course, we're going to be throwing in Big Jeff gear in there. Walk-ins, same thing Friday and Saturday. You're going to get 15% off all inventory that we have. And then we're doing 20% off all the open box and stuff we've had come back. The best we can do, man, and we've done it before, is give away a bunch of stuff and give away a bunch of masks. You need sanitizer, let us know. Man, I'll put it in the order. Whatever we got to do to keep everybody safe. My crew right now is getting this place set up. Let me turn this around. We're still working hard the day before, man. You can see it's a mess here, but our creative crew is putting up. We got some new DS18 that just came in. I don't know if you guys know the DS18 double DINs came in. We got some Android models, CarPlay, and the prices came down big on those. We also got in, I don't have it here. Oh, there it is, the XM5, guys. This is awesome. So it used to be an XM3. Now it's an XM5. 5-way crossover with bass knob. We got them in stock. They're going up right now. As you can see, my guys are working hard. We're working on the websites. We're working on emails. We're getting everything set up. Go to our website so they can see what happens when you first log in. Check this out, guys. So you're going to go to our website. All right, and then what's going to happen is after about 5 seconds, is it going to pop up since you've already done it? Or there you go. You're going to get that pop up right here, guys. Right here, you see it? Put your email in. As you can see on there, we have the coupon codes on there. We're going to start now, man. You guys, we're not going to have to wait till Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. Use the coupon codes now. We're going to turn them on now. You can get your email on there, so it'll keep you up to date with what's going on. If we also do go to the closeout section, there is a page set up on the website for you guys that aren't local, all the way to the right.
Oh, my bad.
You can hit closeouts. You can see we have a ton of stuff that's that we either don't carry anymore or we have too much of. We're getting rid of Race Sport. There's some old DS18 stuff, Genius Audio. Those are all closeouts. You can see the prices are ridiculous on here. And when you buy that stuff, you can still use the coupon code, man. So you're going to get more money off. Okay, so I just wanted to let everybody know, we're also for you dealers out there. Let me turn this back around. You dealers, your salesmen have been calling you. I know some of you are closed up, but we'll be open Friday and Saturday. We're doing 10% off, 5% off, and some other discounts on all products, on all the major brands, and all orders for dealers over $1,500 free shipping. So I know you guys always ask about shipping. We're going to give it to you, but that's only going to be Friday and Saturday. Free shipping for any dealer orders over $1,500. And for you guys that aren't dealers and you want to become, you can go to our website, and up top there's a link that says dealer app. Okay, let me see. We got a few people in here. Do you guys install it? Willie, no, we're as you can see, we're a distributor, bud. Let me take a little look here. We are the guys that supply the car stereo shops. We have 3 warehouses just like this where we supply the stereo shops. So Willie, no, we don't do installs, but if you're trying to find a shop in your area, we could help you. What else we got here? What you guys looking at? I already answered that. Okay, so listen, guys, stay safe. Happy Thanksgiving. Wear your mask. Keep your hands clean. Definitely go to bigjeffaudio.com. Coupon codes are listed on the Black Friday flyer. Go to our Facebook page, Instagram. Show your love and support. Anybody else have any questions while we're in here? Okay. We just got in some new stuff called Black Box. That's a GPS tracking. It's really cool. It's like $49 a year. You could GPS track and control a lot of things on the vehicle. It comes with 1 year free. Check that out. We also have Deep Sentinel cameras now. Really cool because we have them here. Deep Sentinel is actually a live people that watch your stuff. So if somebody comes to try to break in or vandalize, it'll actually talk to them through the cameras and warn them away. And if they don't listen, it'll actually call the cops. So it's not just like a camera on your phone or a doorknob, none of those. This is actually cool. It's called Deep Sentinel. Check that out on our site. The Black Box I was talking about, same thing. Get your discount on it. Comes with a free year. It's kind of a plug and play model. We have all the information on our site. Just go up and search a Black Box. It'll come right up. GPS can be used for business and personal. You guys got kids out there you want to keep track of, you need to install one, okay? Listen, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I appreciate it. Black Friday, show you love. We're going to be giving out a ton of free stuff. We're going to pick a lot of people and just start giving away things throughout the Friday and Saturday. I love you guys. It's bigjeffaudio.com, and our social media you're watching now. Make sure you share some of this stuff, man. Show some support. All right, guys, I'm out. Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully, we'll see everybody Friday and Saturday.